All right, just having a look here at frequency tables using class intervals. So this is question 20 off your probability test. Year 7 has been training for athletics. It says here each student ran 100 meters and had their time recorded. So whenever we're measuring something like time, okay, this one is always continuous data. All right. Now what I've gone and done for you already, and you can pause it and you can do it yourself and just check your answers, is I've gone and looked at tallying all of my data in this table. My first interval refers to values between 11.5 to less than 12. So that includes 11.5, 11.6, 11.7, 11.8, and 11.9, but it doesn't include the value 12 because it's included here on that next row. So I've gone through, just so you can see what I do, and found all the values from 11.5. So here's one here I've just crossed off. I'll put a tally, and there should be another one in here somewhere down here. So I've got two values, two tally marks, and just convert that to your number on the right hand side. Once you've gone and crossed all of them off and collated them in this table, this last row here should be your total. All right, and I've got 25 tallies and 25 frequencies, and up here I can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25 values. So I've got everything accounted for, which is very, very important, obviously. Across here on the right hand side, okay, question C asks us to come here and construct a frequency column graph to show the data. Now, because it's continuous data, our columns will be touching each other, so they'll be side by side. At the start here, it's important that I've left one square here, and my first column is going to travel up and across here, okay? So that's really important that we get it started right. So leave a square, and then my columns are 2 squares wide. And they sit up over the middle of this marker here, obviously, okay? My second frequency is 0 for the second one, so that will just be left blank. The third one has a frequency of 8, so I'm going to be coming all the way up to here and across. Next one is 5, so we're going to be coming up to the value 5. Next one is 4. And then that last one is 6. All right, and that there is our frequency column graph. Okay, you can see I've got it labeled down here, frequency. That will always be the label there. And this is going to be recorded time in this instance. And I'm going to put what the units we measure that time in down the bottom there. Now, that's the second label. The third one is actually the title for the graph. Now you'll get the title for the graph, Year 7 100 meter sprint. So I'm just going to call it something like that. Year 7 100 meter sprint times. Got to call it something, so that's that third label that's really important with that graph as well. All right, now it starts to have a look here, the last one. What percentage of students ran a better time than 13 seconds? So better than 13 will be everything less than 13 seconds. So up here in our table, less than 13, that would include this one here, and this one here. All right, now even though this says 12.5 and we've got 13, it's less than 13, which is the important part. So what we've got 8 and 0 and 2. We've got 10 students out of 25, which would be 0.4, which we know is